Welcome to 17001 Galleon Circle. This 2004 custom-built home features over 3,100 finished square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's located in a very quiet neighborhood not too far from Cedar Avenue, so it's a quick commute to downtown Minneapolis or St. Paul. Plus, you're very close to shopping, restaurants, parks, everything you could need. Asphalt driveway is in excellent condition. The exterior is very low maintenance with stone and vinyl. Extensive landscaping around the entire perimeter of the home, as you can see, and they've even poured those concrete edges around all of the landscaping to keep it looking nice year-round. Stamped patio on the front of the house. Nice newer front door. This home was a custom-built forever home for the current owners. There's only been one. As you can see, nothing is sinking or settling. Everything has been cared for, and there was no expense that was spared in building this beautiful dream home for the current owner. I'm going to take you around the back to show you not only how the exterior of the home looks, but the privacy of the backyard. One of the nicest features to me is how large this backyard is and how private it is. Not to mention you overlook a really nice pond. There's lots of natural shrubbery and flowers that they've added, but you also get deer and turkey and birds and all kinds of animals as well, which is really nice because you're so close to that private area. Fire pit, 2 patios on the lower level. The lower level is a walkout. I'm going to take you up the steps onto the deck, which is maintenance free, to show you how nice of a view you have. So it's very private back here. You can have friends or family over. You can be sitting out on the deck with a cocktail or a cup of coffee and have a private conversation and not feel like you're interrupting anybody else. So you're not backing up to a bunch of other neighbors. So they specifically chose this lot for that reason. 35-year architectural shingle. Again, exterior is vinyl. Extremely well cared for. Taking you inside, I mentioned earlier, there's a stamped patio here in the front. As you walk in through the front door, I want you to notice how expansive and open the floor plan is. I'll do my best with the video camera to show you that. One of the first things you see is how tall these vaulted ceilings are, which gives this a very open feel. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout the main level. To the left here is a coat closet. Right next to that is a half bathroom for guests. Beautiful molding and woodwork, 3-panel doors, all custom built. Give you a little bit shot of here of the foyer. Taking you to the front here, this is the office that has French doors to close it off from the rest of the home, but you could, I suppose, convert it to a guest room or 4th bedroom should you need that. But with so many people working from home right now, a lot of people I talk to love to have that private office. Huge open floor plan with a large kitchen, lots of storage with cabinets, lots of countertop space if you're someone who likes to cook. All appliances stay with the home. There is a walk-in pantry for storage. So if you are a big meal person or you love to host parties, there's plenty of room to do that here in the kitchen and keep everybody comfortable. All appliances stay with the home. Again, beautiful hardwood floors throughout here, this main level, with the exception of the living room and the sunroom. Here's another shot. You've got a breakfast bar, center island, so you have a space for entertaining or quick meals on the go. Here's another shot of the foyer. As you can see, it's a very open floor plan, and these tall ceilings add to that. The living room shares a gas fireplace with the sunroom, which is a pass-through, so you can see both sides. There's 2 gas fireplaces in the home, this one on the main level and then one in the family room, which I'll show you. There's your view from the living room. Taking you back here into the kitchen, informal dining area. That slider goes right out to the deck and the backyard. Just beautiful, quiet space. It really is. It's quite amazing. Maintenance-free decking. Again, 3,100 plus finished square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, built in 2004. So taking you down the hallway, to the right is the master suite with French doors. This is a full master with a full private bath as well as large walk-in closet. Also has vaulted ceilings. Lots of natural light throughout the day because the windows are also large in these rooms. Here's another shot of the master. Then this has a pocket door, so you can separate the bathroom and closet from the rest of the master. Tile floors, glass block, step-in, two-person shower. Lots of cabinet space for linens. And then this is the walk-in closet. Two-person shower, beautiful tile job, all custom done. You'll feel like you're in a hotel. I'm going to take you back into the master just to give you a feel for coming out of the bathroom. And then to the right here is the laundry room. There's a closet off to the left-hand side, room for a bench, washer and dryer stay, and then this door leads to the attached 3-car garage. I'm going to take you downstairs. So the lower level is a walkout and it's completely finished, but there is still a lot of storage, which I'll show you. As you can see, the slider walks out to one of the 2 patios, which are connected, and you can also have access to the deck and then obviously the backyard, the fire pit, and everything that has to offer. The yard's big enough that if you wanted to add, I don't know, a play set or a garden, you could do that. There is a wet bar in this family room, so if you like to entertain again, this is another great space to maybe watch a football game. But if you don't need this space for this particular thing, you could add a pool table, you could put in a bigger bar, you could turn it into a home theater. You have lots of choices. Carpet's in excellent condition. Tall ceilings in the basement as well. Going down the hallway here, all the carpets in excellent condition. Another linen closet. This is bedroom 3, and next to it is bedroom 4. Again, custom woodwork throughout the house. All of these bedrooms are really nice size, and they all come with good sized closets. I'll take you into the third one here. Since there's not a bed in it, I'll take you to the back and turn so you can see the closet. But there's the view from the 2 bedrooms on the lower level right to the second patio, and a view of the backyard. There's your closet. Off to the left here is a full bathroom, which I'll show you, but that is under step storage. Here's the full bathroom. And then through here is the furnace room, but you can't even see how big this is actually. Lots of storage. Mechanicals are in excellent condition. The house is beautiful and just waiting for a new owner. Come take a look at it. I know you'll love it. It's in a wonderful neighborhood. It's priced to sell, and this could be your dream home.